Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone kind of a PDF editor directly inside PHP and inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are running it on exam control panel locally, and in this video I will also show you live deployment, and also I will be deploying on the shared hosting plus a domain name as well. So we are running it this locally. As you can see, this is the PDF editor where you can edit your PDF files similar to Canva. So this is actually the full directory structure of this PDF editor. So if you need the source code of this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. So after you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So once you download the source code, this is actually the main file. If you want to run it locally, so we are having this exam control panel, and we are running it localhost PDF editor. This is the interface which looks something like this. So here you simply select whatever PDF file you want to select, and after that the PDF will load right here. You have all the tools right here to actually select, add text, images. So right here you can see the actual PDF file render. You can actually have all the pages here. This is the dark mode as well. Then we have this functionality to add text here, image. So once you click the add text button, so here you can add text, increase the font size as well. So you can just see here, it's very easy. And then you also have the ability to actually annotate using the pen tool. You can change the color as well. You can go to the next page, do the modification similarly. So select the pen tool. You also have the ability to actually select. So here you can add images as well, adjust the size. And then you also have the ability to draw signature as well, insert digitally sign. After you make the modification, you can export your PDF. You will see all the changes will be reflected back here. So you can add additional features as well. Once you purchase the source code, you will have actually a full source code. You can see it's divided into its appropriate PHP files. It's also using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So it's very easy for you to deploy as well. Let me just deploy it to a real domain name. So we have this marksheetgenerator.com website. So this is my website. So I will simply upload this live. So once you are inside you simply go to your shared hosting. So public HTML folder, and right here you create a new folder right here. Let me call this as PDF editor. So after selecting that, you actually upload all the files of that. So once you purchase it, it's easy for you to deploy this as well. Go to exam htdocs. This is the folder that you will get after you purchase it. You simply need to select this folder. Now what you can do, you can upload an entire folder. So just select this entire folder, click on upload, and upload all the files. So it will actually upload. So here you actually, I think I already created this folder. So sorry, let me delete this folder from here. I think I already have this folder. So what I will do, I will simply upload this entire folder. Simply upload. So once you do this, that folder will be uploaded. As you can see, PDF editor. It has all the files here. Now you can easily access it inside marksheetgenerator.com. Since it is a PHP based website app, you can directly access it at marksheetgenerator.com/PDF editor. So now you can see it is successfully deployed, and I have given the link in the description in the video. You can actually try this before purchasing it. So you can actually try out the live demo here. So once you load the PDF file, you can see again you can add text, you can annotate, change the color, everything you can do. This is a select tool, and here you can see. So here you actually can select the images as well. So and then you click export, and then you just need to select the location. And so the PDF is successfully modified. So it's actually a Canva clone PDF editor entirely built in PHP, and also I have deployed this to a real domain name plus to a shared hosting. So if you're interested in purchasing it, you can, the link is given in the description. If you still face any problem, I will definitely help you in deploying and running this application. You can add additional features as well. This is actually the main file here. So you can see that this is actually all the source code. So it's well documented. You will get step-by-step instruction on how to run and deploy this application once you purchase it. So the link is given. It has all the features right here inside the toolbar to add text, images, annotate, and then you have the export button as well. So I've given the link to try this demo, this application live. You can also zoom in, zoom out, and it's completely responsive as well. It basically runs perfectly on desktop, mobile, tablet, all the devices, so you will not face any problem in running this. So you can actually earn a lot of passive income from this tool by purchasing a domain name and actually deploying this. This will actually make you a lot of revenue as well, and you can modify it, add additional features as well. You can do all sort of stuff. So definitely try this.